Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 E350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you adaptive high beam assist, full LED headlamps and tail lamps, sports package with a sports exterior and interior look, 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black and B-Tex interior, sunroof, rear spoiler, E350 4MATIC badging, set of all-season and regular floor mats, comfort box for extra storage. This one does come with the lane tracking package with blind spot assist, lane keep assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, black wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, keys for our media display, heated seats, rear shade, dual climate controls, cup holders, Eco and Sports mode, turn wheel for infotainment center. This E-Class has 42,516 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.